Today, we bring you an incredibly important topic that demands our attention: Haiti's devastating earthquake. Join us as we uncover the shocking truth behind why this natural disaster became the deadliest of the century. Get ready for an eye-opening and thought-provoking experience. On that fateful day, Haiti faced unimaginable destruction, leaving countless lives shattered. But have you ever wondered what made this earthquake so uniquely catastrophic? Let's embark on a journey together to understand the factors that contributed to this tragic event. First, we'll explore the geographical aspects. Haiti is located in a seismically active region, making it highly susceptible to earthquakes. However, there's more to the story than just the location. We'll dig deeper into the specific tectonic plate boundaries and fault lines involved, shedding light on why this seismic event was particularly devastating. But there's another crucial element that made this disaster even deadlier: Haiti's vulnerable infrastructure. We'll examine how the inadequate construction practices, lack of building codes, and poor urban planning played a significant role in amplifying the impact of the earthquake. Through interviews with experts, we'll gain valuable insights into the specific weaknesses that led to such widespread devastation. Beyond physical infrastructure, we'll also delve into Haiti's socio-economic factors, which exacerbated the disaster's aftermath. Poverty, limited access to health care, and inadequate emergency response systems all contributed to the staggering loss of life and the challenges faced by survivors. But amidst the darkness, we'll shine a light on the resilience and hope that emerged from the rubble. We'll showcase the incredible stories of survival, the inspiring acts of bravery, and the international efforts to provide aid and support to the Haitian people. By understanding the complex web of factors that made Haiti's earthquake the deadliest of the century, we can strive to learn from this tragedy and work towards building a safer and more resilient world. So, if you're ready to embark on this captivating and enlightening journey, make sure to hit that subscribe button and ring the notification bell to stay tuned for more thought-provoking content. And don't forget to leave a comment below, sharing your thoughts and insights on this crucial topic. Thank you for joining us, and let's uncover the truth together.